How many pairs of pants have you had to throw out because you got a rip in them? That's too many. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a pair of pajama pants so that you don't have to throw out any more pairs of pants due to a simple rip or tear. When your tear shreds the fabric like this rather than making a clean rip across, it is best to use a patch to fix it. Any piece of scrap fabric will do, just make sure it has the same amount of stretch as your pajama pants. And I found a little triangle of black fabric in my scrap bag that is the perfect size. Start by trimming any loose ends off your patch and make sure it's the proper size. Lay your pants out flat on a table. Fully cover the tear with your patch and pin the patch to your pants. And make sure you tuck in any raw edges. Once your patch is secured with pins, flip it to the inside to make sure your patch fully covers your rip or tear. Thread a needle because it is much easier to hand sew a patch onto a pair of pants than to use a machine. Then hand sew your patch onto your pajama pants using a quilting or blanket stitch if your fabric is a stretchy knit, or using a back stitch if your fabric is a woven non-stretchy fabric. I am sewing my patch on with a back stitch because this pair of pants is not stretchy. Just take it slow and make nice tight stitches so your patch will be secure. Once you've sewn all the way around your patch, you can tie your thread off on the inside of your pants. And that's how you patch a pair of pajama pants. It's not going to be perfect, but if you use a matching fabric like I did, or somewhat matching fabric, it's going to look pretty decent. And the most important part is that your pajama pants will stay together. That hole is not going to rip any further and you will be able to wear them comfortably again. And you can also put your patch on the inside of your pants if you prefer the cosmetic look of that, but I prefer to put the patch on the outside so it prevents those threads from getting snagged on anything else later. And now that you know how to put a patch on a pair of pajama pants, it's also good to know when a pair of pajama pants is beyond fixing. If you've already used a patch to cover a tear or rip in your pants and you notice that your pants are now starting to tear along that patch you sewed on, that means your pants are threadbare. That fabric is too thin to patch again, and if you try it, if you put another patch on top of that hole and the patch you already sewed, it's just gonna keep coming undone on that original fabric because it's too thin. And if you do have a pair of pants that is beyond patching like this one, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more sewing project ideas on what you can make with scrap fabric or clothing that is not fixable. Please leave a like on this video if you haven't already, and let me know down in the comments below if you were able to patch a pair of your own pajama pants using this method. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you guys next week. You want to see your pants?
Yeah, I can just...
I got your pants done.
Take it off.
You're welcome.
You look nice.
Thank you.
I like that little barrette with everything right now.
Thank you, Mama. Alright, go play a game.
I am.